welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So as I said in my previous video, this month is the anniversary of the channel, 3 years since I've uploaded the first video, so I just wanted to do something special. In this collection I have sneakers for all seasons, different silhouettes, nothing really hyped, there's no trash Jordans, there's no Easy, and recently I've sold a bunch of sneakers I don't wear, so I've decided to complete my collection. I have 24 different sneaker brands right here, which I'm going to show off in a few seconds. Let's get right into it. This is the Adidas Climacool 1, the first sneaker in the collection. Moving right along, this is my first ever Ultra sneaker. This is my first ever Asics. Moving right along to my first ever Brooks sneaker and my most expensive sneaker purchase ever. This is the Hyperion Elite 3. I'm going to take these to Monaco for the review in a few days. My first ever Converse sneaker. As you can see, there's a lot of variety in my sneaker collection. So we have a racing sneaker next to a very casual sneaker with recycled bits in it. And moving right along to my first ever craft sneaker, an all-terrain sneaker boot with a carbon plate. As you can see, these are in alphabetical order. This is my first ever Diadora sneaker, very lightweight. I do have reviews for some of these if you want to check out the channel. This is my first ever Hoka sneaker, the Carbon X2. My first ever Homa sneaker and the cheapest carbon fiber plated sneaker. Homa R3000. My first ever Keep Run sneaker, another carbon plated. My first ever Li Ning. These are really sick. My first ever Mizuno. This is not my first New Balance sneaker, but I really like the XC72 and I got a new fresh pair, so I had to put it right here in this section. This is my first Nike sneaker in over 15 to 16 years. first ever on running. Not my first Reebok sneaker, but I really wanted to add a sock sneaker in this section. Right along, this is not my first Salomon sneaker, but this is the Index 01, a 100% recyclable sneaker. If you want to see a full review of these. This is my first ever Saucony. I really like these a lot, and it's not always about the most expensive sneaker or the one that has the carbon plate. And moving right along, my first Scott sneaker. My first ever Skechers. First ever the North Face sneaker. These are sick. This is my first ever 361 degrees. Watch the review on my channel to see why these are so heavily customized. And there you go, next to a carbon fiber plated sneaker, I have my first checkered Vans. Why not? I really like these, but they are very uncomfortable. And finally, in this section, my first ever Y3 sneaker. I got these on an incredible price. Alright, so I also want to show you a Nike Presto made with Nike by You. And finally, this is my first ever Nike Dunk, again made with Nike by You. I'm going to shut up and show you everything else. So there you go, that is my sneaker collection. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.